Welcome to this tutorial on linking a project framework to Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. In this video, we'll guide you through the seamless process of aligning your project framework with SDGs. Let's dive in. In support of sustainable development, Synergy Indicata aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Within the system, the SDG framework is robustly represented, encompassing 17 overarching goals, 169 specific targets, and a comprehensive set of 247 indicators. Notably, this SDG framework seamlessly integrates with projects, enabling the measurement of each project's contribution to sustainable development. Now let's demonstrate how to establish this link. Begin by navigating to your project framework. Within the project framework, pinpoint the specific framework item contributing to sustainable development and click the link icon. This action opens a pop-up displaying all global frameworks. Locating the SDG framework is straightforward. Simply select it from the list. After selecting the SDG framework, the system generates a list of sustainable development goals aligned with associated targets. Since our project describes your vaccination program, let's link it to the targets 3.2, 3.8, 3B, 3C under SDG 3 goal, ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. In the next step, let's select all targets under Goal 4. Ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. And there you have it. The selected goals and targets are now seamlessly linked to your project framework. At any time, you can open the SDG framework to view the existing and linked result areas. Furthermore, if you no longer want to keep the result linked to the project framework, you can unlink it and replace it with a link to a new result area. You can always keep track of what SDGs or targets your framework item is contributing to. A quick hover of your mouse allows you to view the number and titles of the SDGs and targets linked to the framework item. That's it. Now your project is aligned with global agenda. Thank you for watching. For further insights into Indicata, explore our extensive tutorial library.